Welcome to Ingleton Water Trail, a spectacular journey through ancient geology and verdant woodlands, carved by the river Tweed in the heart of North Yorkshire. The history of the trail dates back millions of years to when the Ice Age sculpted this dramatic landscape, but it was in the 19th century when the trail as we know it was brought to life, intended for Victorian visitors to marvel at the natural beauty of Ingleton. This trail is a good 4.3-mile trek that takes you through some of the most breathtaking waterfalls in the UK, such as Thornton Falls, which thunders down a 14-meter cliff over a limestone that's around 330 million years old. It's not just the cascades that captivate hikers, but also the rich biodiversity. The woodlands are lush with native oak, ash, and hazel. Look closely and you might spot the rare dipper bird or even the elusive otter. Hikers often share their experiences of the trail's therapeutic ambience. Many come here to find peace, to reconnect with nature, and to regenerate their spirits amidst the soothing sounds of the flowing water. Despite its natural setting, the trail is well facilitated. There are parking spaces, a visitor center, and even quaint cafes where you can indulge into a hot drink after your walk. It's accessible for all ages, makes it a perfect family outing. Each season paints the trail with a different brush. Spring brings vibrant greenery, summer intensifies the flow of the waterfalls, autumn cloaks the path in golden hues, and the winter often dusts the rocks with snow, making it a year-round attraction. And now let's talk about a fascinating aspect of a local folklore, the money tree. The saying goes, money doesn't grow on trees, but here in Ingleton, we beg to differ. Prepared along the trail are trees embedded with the countless 2-pence pieces, a modern take on an ancient custom. It's believed that by pushing a coin into the bark of the tree, you're not just leaving behind a piece of copper, but also casting a wish for prosperity and good luck. The tradition is so popular that you might find it challenging to spot a spot on the trunk that isn't glistening with metal. And if you look closely, you may discover coins so old that they've become part of the tree itself. This practice dates back centuries and it's steeped in mythology. Some believe it to be a way to offer thanks to nature's spirits or to ask for blessings from the trees, which have been long-standing symbols of life and sustenance. Visitors often pause here searching for the perfect nook to press in their coins, hoping that the money tree will reciprocate with a stroke of a good fortune. So, when you're walking the trail, why not partake in this time-honored tradition? Who knows, the money tree might just smile upon you. After engaging with this mythical part of the trail, continue your walk, knowing you've become part of Ingleton's rich tapestry of traditions. Each step here is a dance with history and a nod to the customs that have been preserved by the hands and hopes of those who wander through. As we come close to the end of our journey today, remember that Ingleton Waterfall Trail isn't just a walk. It's a timeless escape, a place where history, nature, and tranquility intertwine to create a magical experience. So when are you planning your visit? I hope you liked this vlog today, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring and keep adventuring, and I will see you with a new adventure. Take care.
Bye guys.